Here I have InFocus M810 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the recovery mode. In order to do it, let's connect your device to micro USB cable connected to your charger or to your PC. Let's just wait until the charging icon pops up right now, and let's start holding power key and volume up together. So let's keep holding those two keys simultaneously, keep holding both keys, and let's wait for the recovery mode. Release both keys, the recovery mode pops up, you can disconnect your device from your charger, and let's simply start using the recovery mode by using both volume keys to navigate and power key to choose options. So let's scroll down to choose Wipe Cache Partition and press power button to select it. The device is wiping the cache files and formatting all temporary cache files. Excellent. As soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's simply press power key to reboot system now and wait until you will be able to use your device in a normal way. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.